Welcome to an exhilarating journey on your channel name, where we dive deep into the realms of artificial intelligence and unlock the extraordinary potential it holds for income generation. In this immersive exploration, we'll unravel the transformative power of AI, revealing how it's not just a technological marvel, but a lucrative pathway to financial success. Get ready to embark on a voyage that demystifies AI, showcases its income-generating capabilities, and equips you with the tools to ride the wave of this digital revolution. The AI landscape unveiled. In this section, we'll delve into the foundations of AI, providing a comprehensive understanding of its principles, evolution, and the diverse landscapes it encompasses. From machine learning to neural networks, we'll demystify the terminology, ensuring you're well prepared to navigate the intricate world of AI. Dollars in data, unleashing the economic power of AI. Discover the macroeconomic impact of AI as we explore its role in shaping industries, creating efficiencies, and unlocking new revenue streams. From the boardroom to the startup garage, we'll showcase how AI is transforming businesses and offering unparalleled opportunities for income generation. AI entrepreneurship, your gateway to financial freedom. Unlock the secrets of AI entrepreneurship, exploring essential tools, resources, and strategies for beginners. Identify profitable niches where AI intersects with market demand, and learn the blueprint for building a successful AI skill set that can open the doors to entrepreneurial success. Monetizing AI ventures, turning concepts into cash. Delve into practical avenues for monetizing AI skills, whether through freelancing, product development, or consulting. Learn how to translate your AI knowledge into tangible income and position yourself at the forefront of the rapidly growing AI market. Conclusion: your dive into dollars continues. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey, it's clear that AI is not just a technology, it's a dynamic force that can propel you into a realm of financial abundance. By understanding the AI landscape, exploring its economic impact, embracing entrepreneurship, and effectively monetizing your ventures, you're on the path to unlocking wealth in the digital age. Are you ready to take the plunge into a future where dollars are driven by data? Hit that subscribe button, join the vibrant Your Channel Name community, and let's continue diving into dollars together through the transformative power of artificial intelligence. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with understanding and harnessing the power of AI. Navigating challenges in AI income generation. Embark on a candid discussion about the challenges inherent in AI income generation. We'll explore common pitfalls, strategies for overcoming obstacles, and the invaluable lessons that failures can offer. This section serves as a compass, guiding you through the often unpredictable terrain of AI entrepreneurship. Ethical dimensions of AI wealth creation. Delve into the ethical considerations surrounding AI income generation. Navigate the moral challenges, explore responsible AI practices, and discover how balancing profit and social impact can lead to sustainable and inclusive ventures. Ethics are not just a guide, they're a cornerstone for long-term success. Staying ahead in the dynamic AI landscape. Explore the ever-changing nature of the AI landscape and the critical importance of staying informed and adaptable. Continuous learning becomes a key component for sustained success in AI entrepreneurship. Additionally, we'll discuss the significance of networking within the AI community for mutual growth. Future trends in AI income generation. Peer into the crystal ball of emerging technologies shaping the future of AI ventures. We'll discuss predictions, speculations, and provide insights on positioning yourself for success by adapting to the evolving trends in artificial intelligence. Conclusion: your odyssey in AI income generation. As we conclude this odyssey through the realms of AI income generation, remember that success in this dynamic field is not an end, but a continuous journey. Embrace challenges, Uphold ethical standards, stay informed, and position yourself for the evolving future of AI. Your commitment to learning and adapting will not only unlock wealth, but also contribute to the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Are you ready to continue your odyssey in AI income generation? Subscribe to your channel name. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence, and let's keep unraveling the potential for financial success together. The future of income generation is now, and AI is the compass guiding you to new horizons. Thank you for joining us on this extended exploration of AI and income generation. Your journey doesn't end.